I'm Polly Bath, and I travel throughout the country to help schools manage and intervene around difficult behaviors that interrupt instruction. Today, I'm going to address a question that involves cuss words. Yep. This year, cuss words and slurs seem normal to our students, even my third graders. I'm struggling not to let the level of disrespect hijack my feelings. How do I send the message that their language matters to me and each other? It's been kind of a problem everywhere I go, and it is with younger and younger kids. And I don't want to blame it on social media and stuff like that, but we do know they are exposed to a lot more and maybe not as watched over, if you will. And a lot more is acceptable than it used to be many years ago. And I think that makes it really hard for us as teachers. There were things that you never heard on TV, even on a regular old sitcom. And now the bar is a little bit different. And so for our kids, their perception is that certain things that we would go, oh, I would never say that in public, is just normal. And so now they're pulling out the higher level stuff because it's just in their vocabulary and they're witnessing and hearing it. So here's what we can do. I don't think we should allow it for sure, but I also am not going to take it personally. So is it disrespectful towards me? No. Does it bother me? Yeah. Do I want them to know that it's not okay for me and possibly for others? Absolutely. There are times when the littlest explanation is the best. You address it with that face, and we all know that face. When I hear language come out of a third grader, I say, language, no. And they might say, well, wait a minute. Just no. A simple language. We're in school, no. Or, nope, not for school. Whatever you can do with that first 2 or 3 words to address it in a firm way without having to go into a lot of explanation or a lot of questioning like, oh, do you talk to your mother like that? Like, just don't go there. Let them know that when you walk in this building, this is the expectation, and don't unravel. But they need that very clear, concise message. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, put those in the comments below.